This problem here is asking us to prepare the manufacturing overhead budget. So the manufacturing overhead budget is comprised of two major components, your variable cost and your fixed cost. So your variable cost, what we're doing here is we're just taking the per unit cost that you're given in the table and multiplying it by the number of units. So it's $1 times 40,000, 80 cents times 40,000, and so on. So that's how you're coming up with each of these costs. So the total variable manufacturing overhead for the period is $112,000. The other component that you are given here is the fixed manufacturing overhead costs, and again, all you're taking here is all of the actual fixed overhead costs that you are given in the problem. And remember that your fixed costs are going to be $235,000 regardless of how many units you're producing. So if you only produced 30,000 units, this number doesn't change, but this one will. So your variable costs will vary depending on the number of units that you are producing. So keep in mind that your overhead has two components, fixed and variable. The fixed will stay the same, whereas the variable will be adjusted depending on the number of units that you are manufacturing. And that concludes 9-25.